Okay, so I just came here to talk something, and that I think I am feeling from so long. Like I think not so long from few past few days, and I just wanted to share that feeling with you all. I think basically this happens when comparison comes in place. Uh, Basically, I was just but like seeing on in YouTube. What is I'm seeing interview? I was seeing on YouTube that there were few channels which got a success very early, and then I see my channel like it performed good, but not that great. Like if I'll compare that, maybe I've seen a channel who they started their posting on YouTube for like last 3 4 months, and they are having 20K around subscribers. They are getting views like in every video, they're just getting like 5 6K views very aram say. I'm not comparing with extraordinary YouTube channels, but a normal which have started recently. And then here I am, started my channel from last 1 year, and I just stuck at 2K subscribers, and I was posting video which is barely getting 100 200 300 views. And like like this is happening, so I was just comparing my channel with someone else's, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I am not working good enough, or I am behind of all those people, and I am lagging behind. I need to buckle up, I need to work on it, I need to work on something, I need to do something, I need to get the like good momentum which I'm not getting. That what I used to feel. But I realized one thing, that there are other channels also who have started earlier than me, but who are still not as far as I am. So it is a race basically, and many people are running in it, and few are ahead of me, few are behind of me. I am somewhere in the middle. All these things I was thinking and thinking and thinking, and then I watched few videos, I've watched few creative videos, and I just came to a conclusion that it was never about other person, like it was never about comparison. You should never compare basically, I will tell you, I got this thought also that should I quit this content thing. I think it will not work for me in the long run. It will be like this for very long period, or maybe for rest of my life it will not give me enough things, and it will be like this only. So I thought, should I quit it, and should I just focus on my work, on my job, or whatever there is. But then I thought ki no, Manisha, it is not your versus someone else's journey. It's always you versus yours journey. And everyone is coming differently, everyone is having different journey, and you are having different one. So make sure you do not let anyone else's to overpower yours. Not compare yourself, and whatever you are seeing on social media that might not be true. uh like there was mixed of emotions, mixed of thoughts there, they were going on my head. And I just felt like he, I don't know, like I was very, what you say, I was in very dicey mood. I was in dilemma. I do not know what to do. I was not having much things to do. But then I thought key patience is the key. Like it's in December only where I've recorded video where I'm saying that I'm grateful for everything. Content is working good for me. All those things. Just in December, and just 2 3 months passed. Like not 2 3 months, only 1 and 2 months passed, and I've already doubted myself, like started doubting myself. And maybe because my last few videos did not went well, so I was like, oh shit, why it's happening, what is going on. All these sort of thoughts were coming and coming and coming, and I felt that key. maybe this is the point where many people loses. uh, यही ऐसा पॉइंट होता है जो बेसिकली मुझे हिट करा था अभी, कि यही बहुत सारे लोगों को पॉइंट हिट करते हैं और यहीं पे लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं, लोग छोड़ देते हैं चीज़ें। बट आई विल नॉट डू दैट, लाइक I will not do that. Like, I will take this to me to the extent I am able to. What I am able to, I will. I have no doubt on it. I will just not leave the content. Like, I think this has become part of my life, and this will always be the part of my life till my last breath. I think that I'm saying too much. But okay, till the time whenever I wanted to, like, basically एटलीस्ट इन कमिंग 15-20 years तो आराम से। तो या आई जस्ट wanted to tell you that कि I was just feeling very heavy, so I've started open my camera, I've started recording, and I usually do not share things with my close people. I don't share much things with my loved ones. I'm not a person who shares her emotional things or who shares her stories. Um, I just share everything on the camera. Like, I can speak whatever I want to my phone, and that is what I'm doing right now. I was just feeling good amount of emotions into my head, uh different amount of emotions, and a different amount of thoughts were coming. But I realized one thing, that Manisha, it's always you versus you. It's your journey. Let it go. Let it go smoothly. Early success not to be necessary is good for everyone. Like, I feel like early success is scam. अगर आपकी स्लो ग्रोथ हो रही है, that means your growth is getting permanent. But अगर आपको रातों रात सक्सेस मिल रही है, that means something is wrong with it. That what I think basically. अगर मुझे मान लो मेरे 1 महीने में कुछ चीज़ हो रही है और जो 1 दिन में कुछ चीज़ हो रही है, तो मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि जो 1 दिन में अचानक से हुआ है, दैट माइट only for the temporary purpose. But if I'm thinking for the permanent thing, so it will going to take time, and things will take time, and things are taking time. So I don't know. I just left. I will just give my best. I will not stop doing what I'm doing. I will keep on doing it. I will keep on improving actually. And that's all. I will just not stop, and I will let everything on his hands. His hand मतलब God hands. What do you मतलब वो सोच मत लेना his hand मतलब क्या बोल रही है. I will leave everything upon God's hand. Let him do whatever he wants to. And yeah, that's all I think. मैं कभी ऑफिस से आती हूँ, थक रही होती हूँ, बट आई हैव टू शूट। कभी कभी मुझे किसी से कोलैबोरेशंस होते हैं तो मुझे उनके लिए वीडियो शूट करके देना पड़ता है। नो मैटर हाउ टायर्ड आई एम, इफ आई हैव कमिटेड समथिंग, नो मैटर हाउ माई डे वेंट एट द वर्क, they don't care about that thing. Obviously they will not, they just care about their video, so I have to shoot and give it to them. So everything I'm doing it tired, exhausted, but I am doing it and I will continue doing it. पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने जब सीए स्टार्ट करा था, that 5 year journey is something very 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 close to me. Like, I have worked so fucking hard those 5 years, and now it seems like I've started something new, and that is from the scratch. तो मुझे ना ऐसे जो फाउंडेशन वाली फीलिंग आती है कि ना अभी there is a long way to go, a lot of hard work I have to put in. That what I feels now कि if I've started this content thing, so I have to put a lot of hard work, a long way to go there, and a lot of मेहनत required in this, and I'm ready to give it actually. So ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कुछ नया start करा है from the scratch, and like till now I did not do anything, because obviously content I've started from like scratch only. I haven't do anything till so far. So अगर मैं अपना सीए वाला चीज देखूँ तो देयर आई हैव came little far. I have cleared CA, I did articleship, I did industrial training, I've started my first job. So I have came a long way. If not long way, so I have came a little bit. But here I have just started. I've just taken the baby steps. And I was already getting so emotional, so drained down, because I started comparing with it with other person. But that is, I think, not only here, anywhere, like anywhere, do not compare yourself with any person. Just do not, guys. it's not your race with anyone else. It's only your race, and it's not even a race, it's your life, it's your journey. Let it go smooth, let it go slow, no, not to be fast enough. Let the success hit you at 50, at 40, at 45, need not to be at 20, need not to be at 25. So age is just nothing, it's just a number. You can achieve whatever you want to, maybe at 40, at 50, at 60, anytime. It's not necessary that you have to do everything by 20. I know you see people at your age doing very, very, very good in their life, and then you are there who is not satisfied with your performance, who's not happy with your performance. But trust me, many people are looking up to you also. Many people, and they are not able to reach to your point also. They are wondering and they are inspired that how you are doing everything on your own. So there are this cycle, there are this chain. You are somewhere in the middle, you are not at the end. People are behind you, people are in front of you, but you don't have to care about those people. You just have to care about yourself, where you are, where you want to go, where you have come from. So all those things. And yeah, that's all I think. I just wanted to say my heart out, so I just said it. And yeah, that's all. I think I will not say anything else now. Otherwise, I will cry. But yeah, that's all I think for this video, guys. I'm going to see another video and bye bye.